Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Home Depot tool deals to share with you, and then we actually have a bunch of Amazon deals that I want to share with you as well. But because Home Depot had a special buy of the day today, it was worth putting it in front of you, seeing if you see anything you like. So I got a couple of the Home Depots, a bunch of the Amazons. Amazon will all be linked in the description down below. We use the YouTube shopping links for the Home Depot deal, so you'll see boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere, starting at about 3 seconds. The first deal I have for you, which, by the way, these are all special buys of the day. We have this link right here. If you want to look through the whole page of them, you can go to that link right there. There is a ton of stuff, but these ones stood out to me. Dual atomic 20 volt max lithium ion cordless 1¼ inch bandsaw kit with the 1.7 amp hour power stack. That's the OG compact power stack, which is actually really nice for this. We're going to get to in 1 second. Normally $329 down to $169 today only. This was on sale previously at this price and it sold out. Now they're saying they have 308 available, so I don't know. It seems safe to me, but it did sell out the last time it was at this price. Now here's the thing. I have and I don't remember the model number, the larger bandsaw, right? It is great if you're stationary. If you put it on a table or a bench or something and you're just doing your thing, beautiful. If let's say you're cutting a pipe and you got to hold it over your head, boy, I hope you like your shoulder presses. That son of a bitch is heavy. This one, you won't have that problem. So it totally depends on your use, but if 1¼ is good enough for you and you value having to actually pick it up, and do something over the head, or anyways, lighter weight definitely adds up pretty quickly. So $169 is really good price, and I kind of wish I would have bought this one other than the big ass one that I got. Next up, we got a Milwaukee M12 fuel lithium ion brushless cordless 4-in-1 installation driver with the soldering iron, normally $363 down to $169 today. So you're getting the full kit there. And we've seen both of these tools recently in different kits. They're definitely including them in a lot. But of course, the installation driver is a fuel tool. And you get all the little interchangeable heads. You get your offset or your right angle, whatever you got. So really kind of a nice multi-tool in a way. And then the soldering iron, people rant and rave about that soldering iron. They love it. It's a fan favorite. Not a fan of mine, fan of Milwaukee, fan favorites. $169 for the 2-pack there. Rigid 18-volt cordless 6-tool combo kit with a 2 amp hour battery, normally $418 down to $289. Now, first, I like that you're getting a lot of tools for a cheap price. If you're in Rigid's lineup, this is great. What I don't like is 6 tools and 1 2 amp hour battery. What the hell is wrong with you? 6 tools and 1 battery? That just feels like a scam. Now, the other part that feels like a scam, count them out, fellas. Count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 6-tool kit. Is there a mystery tool? Is the bag a tool? We know a tool bag. Big fat guy. Thinks he's furry. Or maybe the charger's the last tool. I don't know. But even at 5 tools, $289, maybe they throw something else in the bag for you. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium Drill Bit and Shockwave Impact Duty Driver Set. 68 piece, normally $65, down to $39.97. Getting 2 of the handy dandy little cases, all modular like drill and drive bits. Take them with you. Now, here's the thing. There was a ton of other deals, but there are ones that we have seen within the last month. And I really don't want to put stuff over and over in front of you that we've already seen in the last month. So if you were watching a video, the last month again, didn't want to say it again, but I don't know how else to word it. And something was sold out or you were too late for the price, check out that list because there's a lot of them that we've talked about recently that came back around and are on sale again. So those are the Home Depot deals. Again, YouTube shopping links popping up. Let me re-rack it here and pull up some Amazon deals because I had some really amazing Amazon deals that I wanted to share with you guys. So that is coming up next. All right, here we go. So first off, this Neotril company has the Neotril Gloves. They're 4 mils, so they're a little on the thin side, but they have different quantities, different sizes available. This is the 50-pack and 30% off. They come out with a new promo code, I would say like every other month, so I try to just put it back in front of you guys because maybe you need to replenish or you didn't need them at the time, but you need them now. So we don't need to go too much into this, but it's $6.98, 30% promo code. If you go to this link right here, you'll see all the different quantities and sizes that are available, and you can get your discount on multiple quantities if you want to stack up or whatever. But every couple of months they have a promo code that's about the same discount. Next, we're gonna Flex 24-volt brushless cordless half-inch drive mid-torque impact wrench tool only. It's only going to be $99, normally $199, so a really good price actually for the mid-torque impact wrench if you're in the Flex lineup, which I know some of you are, even though not the most popular lineup. Now, you can price match it. Acme Tools $9.99 or $99, but they are going to charge you a shipping charge on top of that. Tool Up is $219, Ohio Power Tool $219, so really good deal if you can use the mid-torque impact wrench. This one we got a 25-foot flagpole kit, outside, in-ground, 14-gauge heavy-duty flagpole kit, yard extra thick. Gotta love it extra thick. With a 3x5 American flag by a company whose name I cannot pronounce. It is 50% off. You can get the little finial here. Now, I do like this style because you can also get the little solar lights that go on there. It's a solar panel on top and a light on the bottom, so you'd have a little light going down on your flag there. Otherwise, you can get the pole-mounted lights that shoot upwards like so. It's normally $99. We have 50% promo code that's supposed to go through the end of the month. Now, I posted this a couple of days ago, actually, so I did not check promo code to see if it's still working because when I open up the Amazon page, there is a $30 coupon currently on the page. They're not going to stack. They rarely stack anymore. But best case scenario, you get 50% off. You can get $49.99 for it. Worst case, you can still save $30 and get yourself a good deal. And I just bought a flagpole last year. I paid closer to the $100 mark. So I wish I would have held out. I know better. 30-piece, number 14, 6-inch, heavy-duty, black, outdoor wood screws, timber fence landscaping by Lovey Sting. 60% off. Now, this is the 30-pack, but kind of like the gloves. Starts out at $29.99. We have a 50% promo code and a 10% coupon. These do stack, unlike the flagpole, which I do not expect to. 60% off. I think it brought it down to like $12 or something for this 50-pack. Now, if you go to the Amazon page, you click on the little buy on Amazon there, there's different quantities, different sizes available. I didn't check the promo code on the whole thing because I didn't have that little link to give you that shows you everything that the promo code applies to, and it would take too damn long to manually check every single variation on the page. It 100% works for this variation because I did check that, but I did not check the others. Although I would be pretty damn optimistic that it does work for the others. So you can take 60% on those guys there. 2 amp, 10 amp car, battery charger, 6 and 12 volt, automotive, motorcycle, trickle charger, Dick Trickle, desulfator, float charger by no one. At least it's a pronounceable name. 50% off. Normally about $60. Going to bring it down to just under $30. Not sure when that expires, but I posted it today, so it is good right now. We have had a lack of videos over the last week or so, which you guys are going to get some updated stuff. We got some more stuff to do with that excavator. Might be on this channel, might be on the second channel. We'll just see what kind of content we have for it. But we've put about 15 hours on it over the last 2 weeks, so we've been getting some good use out of it, and it's been fun. I bent the shit out of the thumb, which I don't even know how I did it. I just looked at it one day. I was like, wow, that is really bent. And a new tractor got delivered yesterday, so we'll be doing a couple of videos probably on that and different attachments and things that we get for it. Next up, portable transfer pump, battery operated electric siphon pump by another name, Exjuigine. It's 50% off. So there it is there. Normally $19.99. 50% off makes it $9.99. You can buy a quantity of 2, which I know because I bought 2. And here's the thing that I'm going to share with you on this. So a couple of weeks ago, we posted another deal for a very similar item. It was a different brand, looks almost like the identical thing, right? I got it. I've been using it. And this is going to sound like the weirdest endorsement of a product ever, but it's a piece of shit, but it works. Okay, so like when you open it, the hose, very cheap feeling, just the plastic used for it, you just open like, oh man, this thing's garbage. It's not going to work at all. Loaded it up with the batteries. Okay, if you remember the video, if you watched the video I did on the excavator, the problem is the gas tank is 5 feet in the air, and if you have a 5-gallon, not only is it 5 feet in the air, but then it's down in a tunnel. right? So you lifted it up over your head if you're 4 feet tall like me, and then you got a 40-pound, 5-gallon gas can, and you're trying to dump it into this thing, and you're spilling it all over a hot engine. No, I promise you, I was waiting for a fire because it was so hot, it was like steaming off, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna light this thing on fire the first day I have it. So then I did get a funnel, right? Funnel, but it still sucked. You're picking up a 40-pound thing, you know. Anyway, so I bought this thing. You stick the little nozzle thing down in the gas can. You flip the switch. It takes the one I have takes 6 AA batteries or 2D batteries, and then you got the little trigger here, and then it works just like a gas pump. Just it is amazing. Now, I'm not happy that the plastic feels super cheap. I'm not happy that I think the hose is going to break, but those are both things that, as long as the pump keeps working, I can deal with the rest. But also, I've only owned it for a couple of weeks. Longevity, does it break tomorrow? Shit, I don't know. It hasn't broke yet, and it works really good. That's all I can say. So for at $9.99, well, obviously, I think it's worth it. I bought 2 more because I want one for gas and one for diesel, so I'm not going to go like back and forth or like maybe flush it or I don't know. It holds some amount of fuel in there, and it seemed for $10 to go that route. Anyway, I like it. I think it's worth $10. But if it does break in like a month, don't be mad at me because I was kind of worried about that. Portable waist fan, clip-on 5-speed, 11,000 RPM, personal cooling fan, 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, LED light. This is my god boat. I've seen them a couple of times in the past. They've had some tool organizers and like wall mount organizers in the past. And this is 40% off. I bought one of these from a different company, and I'm actually pretty shocked by one, the weight. They're kind of heavy, heavier than I thought, but it's the battery they're using. But it is a powerful fan. You can really feel that shit when it's on your belt and you're going, man. So, kind of good. 1709, 40% promo code going through the end of the month there through the 30th. So 40% brings it on to $10, $10 or $11, whatever that is. And it does work for multiple quantities if you want to give it a shot. Looks like it also works as a power bank, kind of an ancillary benefit, but not, who cares? It's a fan. That's the fun part. Flexible 6-pattern adjustable garden hose nozzle sprayer, easy to use to on-off toggle, 30% off the FlexZilla. Look at that guy right there. So normally $6.57, which I don't even think you're doing bad at buying it for $6.57, especially Prime members getting the free shipping. But right now we have a 30% on-page coupon, so you can get to save another couple of dollars, make it $2 or $3, $3 or $4 probably. Let's go with it's about $3. That's the middle porch there, and I can't be too far off. Respirator mask with filters, safety glasses by Ranksing. We've actually seen this several times. This product has been available for a couple of years. I remember for a long time they had a problem because during COVID, Amazon, eBay, a lot of companies had all sorts of rules about what words you could use to market a product and everything, and using the word mask was like a problem. It might even been the word respirator. But, there was things like that and companies were like really cracking down on. So they had to call it like some goofy thing for a while in COVID. It was weird. But that's how long this specific ASI has been around because I remember posting about it before. $18.79. Now we're going to get a Prime member discount. So if you're a Prime member, open up that Amazon page, see what your Prime member discount is. And then we also have a 30% promo code that's supposed to go through the 25th. 6-amp, 4.5-inch angle grinder, 3-piece grinding wheel, hammer head. Look at that. It's a paddle switch style. You're getting a couple of grinding wheels to go with it. Looks like the tool might be in the handle, which is kind of a good idea. I like it. And of course, you can reverse that on either side. Now, it's just a sale price, no promo code or discount, but $18.80. You get the paddle switch, which most people, I would say, prefer the paddle switch. And, a couple of grinding wheels, $18. Just seemed like a pretty good deal right there. Don't you think? I think so. You're definitely not getting screwed at $18. Magnetic nut driver set. 34-piece impact driver set. Deep nut. Impact socket adapters. We'll leave that one alone. Bit extension. 1/4-inch quick change by Tool Ant. So they sent me this probably been a year ago now. I really like it. If you have an impact driver, these are really nice, especially if you only have an impact driver and don't have an impact wrench. This is a cheaper way to really expand the uses of your tool. And we've seen a couple of different ones. I think it was Vivore a couple of weeks ago had a sale price on theirs, but it's got the 1/4-inch quick connect for your impact driver, so you can just slap it on there. And then there's just a bunch of sockets. You got your deeps, you got your shallows. I think they even have a wing nut one in there somewhere. But for me, it's been really durable on what I use. I was putting in some like 6-inch lag screws into this little addition I put on the side of my garage and doing like that ledger board, driving those in. And they held up. I kind of thought, maybe these things aren't really built for this kind of thing because that's a lot of power going to it. But no, went in really well. And they're lighter and it's just easier if you already have the impact driver. Anyway, this is on sale for $31.44. That's a really good price for that set. It's cheaper than when they gave me a promo code to do the video on it, which I hate when those bastards do that. Klein tools, pliers, made in the USA, maybe. Double check that. Diagonal cutting pliers, just because I don't trust them. Short jaw. Did you see? I think it's the FCC is sending out warnings to different companies for claiming things are made in the U.S. when they're not. That was kind of interesting. High leverage, $29.97, but right now the Amazon page has a $7.49 coupon. See Home Depot and Lowe's at the same price, but without the coupon, so you're paying a little more full price there. Here we got some jumper cable clamps. Milwaukee M18 Tools battery jump starter cable adapter by Spire. It's 30% off. Now I thought this was really neat. I don't know how much I trust it, but it seems so cool. It's a jump starter. You know, you got the little jumper cables on it, and it slaps onto your Milwaukee M18 batteries. First off, that's super compact, and if you're doing any kind of work with your tools, you probably already have the batteries available. So this would be like a nice compact thing to keep in the truck or whatever. How well does it work? Is there any? I don't know. I just thought it was real neat, but I'm on the fence a little bit about it. $23.99. Then we have a 30% promo code. It's supposed to go through 8/1. Now they also have a DeWalt version of the same thing. If you go to the Amazon product page, you could also select the DeWalt. I didn't check if the promo code works for the DeWalt version. Sometimes it will, whatever. I didn't check. But it's not a terrible price. If you would use it, $23.99. Do not reverse the operation sequence of the jump starter. Please be careful when using this, friends. This item cannot be over. See, they kind of worry me a little bit. Just a little bit worried. Be careful, will you? Be smart with this product. Speaking of being smart with products, this tractor, boy, do I need some counterweight. I need some ballast. I'm going to drop this damn thing on my head. So if this is the last video I ever make and you may be listening to the news and you hear something about some dumbass who dropped a tractor on his head, that was me. I'm trying to move all this dirt from one location to another. Every time I pick it up, I'm like, oh shit. Oh man, I'm getting a ballast box. That's the next thing I'm looking for. About $200 on Amazon. Find me a promo code. Damn it. I know that's my job, but I can't find one. All right, guys. That is it. I got work to do, and then hopefully we'll get some videos out on some of the projects going on around here because it's fun. It's fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.